It's Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Monday. I hope you're having a good one. So if you did not watch my previous video for weekly idea, please go check. You can have a better understanding when you check on a weekly idea and start afresh with the daily analysis, which start from today. It's Monday until Friday. So if you did not smash that subscribe button, just smash that subscribe, hit that like, share the video with your friends, so let's grow the channel. So if you want to be in my group, there's contacts in my description. Please don't ask people on the comments. Check my description, you will find everything. Then talk to me. I have a group. It's $15 or for only NASDAQ 100 and US30, and VIP group with which we trade so many things there. It's only $50. So let's go straight to NASDAQ 100 and I will finish up with US30. So here we are. The market, you can see already, sorry, this is a 4-hour time frame, and you can see that the market is already high. So we expect what to do at the moment. We just expect to relax and see if the market will just calm down. So if you need full, I already said that, if you need like what happened previous days, go watch my previous videos. You will find everything there. So here is just a continuation of whatever that I did or whatever that I have analyzed on the market. So you see that the market is on a very nice uptrend. So what we expect here, we expect the market to go high, you see, but we are on a 4-hour time frame. Don't forget that the market should be around this level, and then we can say we can buy, but we are on another very interesting level at the moment. So what do we do from there? We can zoom so that you can see. So it means we have something like a resistance here. So if the market break this area here, we hope we can buy. Sometimes the market won't come around these levels anymore. So things like this happens, like here. You see the market never came around this area. Then after we had this breakout, the market just pushed. Even here, we might have the same thing or similar stuff that might happen there. So I hope you can see that. So the overall picture is the market is still pushing high. We are still on a very strong uptrend. I hope you can see that. So let's say maybe we experience maybe some sell-off. It means we're going to wait for the market to break this zone here. Then the market, we can say it's going to, we're going to have a sell-off, but I don't see that happening at the moment. We already had some strong sell-offs past weeks, you can see here. So that might not happen anytime soon. I'm not saying it's not going to happen. It's going to happen, but not now. We had like sell-off, after that consolidation, then the market now is back on track. I hope you can see that. So now the market is back on track. So what do we do from this area? We go to a smaller time frame so that we don't get confused on these bigger candles here. We go to a smaller time frame and see what we can get from this area. So don't force the market to do what you want. Now it's still Monday. Just start afresh. Wait for the market. If you were not patient last week, this week start to be patient. I hope maybe you get that. So here it's something like this. You can see this, it's our resistance. So if we break this resistance, we expect to buy. But if this resistance is very weak, if the market comes around these zones, we will still buy. You see why? Because we are on an uptrend. We're just looking for buy opportunities. So every moment, every time we have to do something like this, we are still on an uptrend. But if you're waiting for the market to reach here, you're going to have a problem. You're going to miss most of the trades. If it's how you do your strategies or you analyze, it's still fine, because you have to follow your strategies. So I think, but if you add the resistance here, you can add a bit of a support there. Let me do that again. Resistance, support. If the market comes around this area, what do? You can still buy. If it breaks here, you can still buy. So this is the overview for NASDAQ for today. So I think maybe there is not much that I can show you here. There's no miracle that you have to see. So don't forget to smash that subscribe. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can do from there. So I don't think there's much today because it's still Monday, but the market obviously it will show us some stuff, some good stuff later on, but now the market is still consolidating. So here is US30. Yes, US30. On US30, let's start with 4 hour again, so that we can see what's really going on. It's a very easy or a good thing to do, to check on your bigger time frame. Even if you don't draw like a perfect trend line, you'll still get a nice trend line to show you that okay, the market is really going up. You see that? So you can just play with your chart like this, so that it can confirm with your strategy. You can see this really makes sense. The market was just going up. Maybe you can buy around these areas, these zones. Maybe now we're waiting for the market to come around this place. Sometimes the market won't come here, so it means you can draw something like this. Yeah, but this one is very low. But if maybe it's somewhere like here, you can draw something like this. So it's where the market, let me draw that again so that you can see that. Sometimes you have to play with your scales, guys, because sometimes trend line and the resistance, they work, but there is also some tweaks that we know that we can apply on the chart. But you should know about the basics first. If you want those 2 books, I have them. You can check on my Telegram, my free Telegram. On my description, you will get those two books, or you can just ask me directly on WhatsApp. I will send you those books, which they help me to analyze like this. So they're free. Don't think maybe you'll have to pay for that. They're just free. What you pay is only the signals. So with this setup, let me do something like this. With this setup, the market goes, breaks. You can see that this line is our resistance. Most of the time the market can come back around this area before it pushes up. Like here, you can see that this area, the market came around here and bounced again, but likely we were very close to the support. So here we can expect the same thing, but now we are very high. It means the market can even reach the support here. You see that? But if you make those things, they will still make sense. So those lines, they will help you. Let's say when the market doesn't want to come around the resistance or the support. So here it's a support zone. So the market sometimes can do something like this. You see, the market is still going up and the market did not come around this area, and there's nothing wrong with that, you see. But if you know this, you won't miss those trades. So you have to be careful when you do your analysis. So you have to be clever. So that's why you should just get the books that I'm talking about. That just for free. I'll just give you for free. WhatsApp me or go to my Telegram. It's my free Telegram. Go there, you will find some good stuff, free indicators, robots, whatever. You will find them, but I don't really use them. So it's a good thing for me to share. Some people, they really prefer those. So here we are. It's an hour time frame. It means, you see what I was trying to show you. It's either you draw it here or here, because you can see here maybe the market will come here and bounce, but you see that the market did not touch our resistance, or sorry, our support. So here you are going to draw something like this. It means this one you are not going to miss. Or maybe let me just, you can just adjust your resistance, but sometimes this support, sorry, not resistance, I just confuse this too, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I want to draw that again. Maybe it's so that you don't say I just missed it. let's I want to make this resistant very tight, so that maybe, yeah, you see that, yeah, well, now it's tight. So you can see that sometimes there's other, oh yeah, it was perfect. You can see sometimes the market will bounce back before it even reach my support. So if maybe it does reach your support, it's still fine. But if you have something like this, it means you were going to take those buys before you even touch the trend line, which is correct, because sometimes the 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 support line sometimes is far. So if the market is here, it means you are still going to take this small buys, just because you know what you're doing. You don't just place those small buys for no reason. You know what you are doing, something like this, you see. So this is what we do on the market. So if you want to learn stuff like this, please just WhatsApp me or Telegram me, or just be in my group. Maybe just be in my group, because when you are in the group, it's much easier to get access of everything. So for US30, the bigger picture here is we want the market to be somewhere, but don't forget to draw that line to be somewhere here, then to push maybe even this area. It can be another area. So sometimes you don't have to, yeah, maybe it will be something like this. So let's go straight to 15 minutes. Maybe I want to confirm this area here. It might make some sense when we go to a smaller time frame. On a smaller time frame, let's see if that, yeah, I think it can make some sense. This zone here, the market can come here and bounce around this area. I think maybe that can happen. You see, I think that can happen. So the best thing is you just wait. What you can do is you wait for the market to do its thing. But I feel like even this area now, the market is just playing around this area. We might see another buy. So it means that the market might not reach our support. Then we can see a nice buy. But the best thing that we can do is to wait. Sometimes is to wait for the market to do its thing, because we can see a small buy, then the market sell off quicker. So sometimes we have to wait for the market to be around our support. It's where we're going to be safe. You see, it's better to be safe than to just risk everything. So it's better to be safe, not always be in the trades. Obviously, some trades opportunities you're going to miss. The market can just push up now, so it means you're going to miss other opportunities. But it's better to apply your risk management and follow your strategy. Those things are very easy, but you can just develop them until they become your habits. Then that way it's easy to follow them, because you do them every day, you see. So that's why I say you should be in my group. We have psychology sessions that we do every week. So if you want to be in my group, don't forget to check my descriptions. You will find my contacts. If you want be in the group, you can still ask me there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So thank you for watching. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bye.